Yeah, what's up, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing good. So I am currently in town. I am gonna be doing like a quick breakdown with you guys of my Maven funded trading, right? Which is I got funded with Maven for 5K, and it was a great experience. It was a 5K account, and it took me I think it took me like 3 to 4 days to pass phase one, and then it took me about a week to almost 2 weeks to pass phase two. So phase two for me was more of a challenge, right? So I'm not going to be going to the dashboard and showing everything on the computer. So what I will do is I will take screenshot of my phase two, and then I will just put it here on the screen, right? So it was quite a very, very, very challenging challenge to say. It was quite a very, very challenge to take, and it taught me a lot. Taught me a lot about my trading style and everything, my journaling and everything that I was doing, you know. So I that I'm making a noise. Quite a while I've been here, so that maybe since I'm here, why not? So phase one got funded within I think took me about a week to almost 4 days to 5 days, and then phase two almost 2 weeks to pass phase two. I was struggling, so I went up about 4% because normally you need to pass with 5%, right? So I went up by 4%, and then I closed a trade which was going to pass within one trade on phase two. I closed it at $200. In my mind, I think that I need to make to a target of $200 in order to pass phase two. Forgot that I need to make $250. Then I closed it, and after I closed it, went back to. So I started trying to make back the. So I wanted to make that $50 that I wanted that I didn't make, right? And then the next thing, I took losses, took loss. I went to a, like drawdown, like negative drawdown. Came back again up about $180. So in terms of percentage, I don't have it them in my mind at the moment because I always look at my trading in the figures, like how many dollars I need to make, how many dollars I lost, and how many dollars I am on drawdown, right? So I took too many losses, stayed on drawdown for quite some time, went back on profit again, went back to drawdown, went back to profit, went back to drawdown. It was just a roller coaster, right? For phase two, and it was stressing, frustrating, and I would have blown that account, right? But I always told myself that, you know what, I'm going to pass this account because I know that I am a good trader, I know how to trade, so I'm just gonna stick to my rules until I pass this account, right, and get funded and get a payout. So I did that, stick to my rules, and I made sure that I'm not gonna risk more than 4% a day, right? I'm not gonna risk more than 4% a day. I'm gonna stick to that. If I wanna be risking maybe 3%, that's fine, you know, but I'm not gonna risk more than 4% a day, and I stick to that, right? And I eventually passed my phase two also, got funded, got my account, and as soon as I got my account, I think I traded the following day. I was up about $50, and then I traded the following day. I think the following day or 2 days after. But I'm gonna show you guys the screenshot and everything, the certificate, the payout certificate, you know. And then I did that. It took about, I think I took 3 to 4 trades. Then I was up 160, right? So I was gonna get 80% of that. But then greed got into me, and then I went back to the charts, and I lost about $50 to $60, and I was down to $90 profit. Right. Bear in mind with Marvin, the minimum withdrawal is $20, right? So I was still fine. But for me, I was like, damn, man, why did I do that? Now that I'm down, I've lost like $60, and now I'm gonna get a little payout. So I traded again, and I almost lost my account, right? I traded again, I almost lost my account because I over leveraged, and it spiked to about minus $100. But same time, but luckily it didn't hit my daily drawdown, right? And then it went back to profits. After that, I was up about $140, and I was, you know what, close the trades, delete the account, delete any logins, deleted everything that has to do with Match Trader, which is the platform that I was using. deleted everything, and I just like, you know what, I'm gonna wait until payout day. Did that, wait for payout, got my payout, and so I wasn't trading for about 2 weeks. So, because normally you need to wait for about 10 business days, which is obviously it's equivalent to 14 days, because there's weekends also. Waited for my payout. The day I requested my payout, I got it within 10 minutes, which was very impressive. And I was like, okay, cool, that's fine. And after that, I then got my account got reset, traded, and then I over leveraged again, right? And this time around, I was over leveraging because now I missed training, man. I've been watching setups because I only had one account. So I only had one account to trade with, which is something that as a trader you don't need. You need multiple accounts. At least when one is waiting for a payout, you are able to continue trading on a different account. So I waited for payout for too long and I was missing setup. I missed trading so bad that when I got my account, I just wanted to do what? I just wanted to execute. Executed at the wrong time. It was late, and I was down about $180, and from there just kept getting losses. I went back up to about almost break even, went back again, just losses back to back until I lost my final account, right? But in that, I took out a lot of lessons. One, I stopped trading indices, so I'm gonna be coming back to FX. Stop trading indices. I'm gonna be trading GJ, AJ, and NJ. We're gonna be SNT JPY, all JPY, GBP, JPY, right? So that's gonna be what I'm gonna be trading going forward. Stop trading indices, and the reason I stopped trading indices is because I'm not disciplined when I trade indices because I know I make money on indices. So I over leverage. There's always setups on indices, especially when the market is so volatile. You do get setups. So I like that, man. I don't want to trade like this. I don't want to be like this. I want to become the trader that I've always wanted to be. You know, wake up in the morning, look for setups, find two or three setups, get an entry, stop loss or TP, whatever the results are, move on with life. That's what I want. And so that at least I can be consistent in getting these payouts and have more money to fund my account. So yeah, so that's gonna be the plan going forward. Am I gonna go into some more challenges? Obviously, but this time around, I'm gonna be doing it differently. I'm gonna be finding my personal account and having a profit account on the side, so that at least I can balance while I'm waiting for payout. I'm trading my personal account and withdrawing those $10 or $5, not $5, $10, and $20 just to keep me going, and on the side while waiting for my payouts on my profits and then build my portfolio. So that's the game plan for now, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna be sharing everything. I mentioned the screenshots gonna be here. If I do get a time, I will then do a separate video just to go through the dashboard, just to show you guys how it looks and everything. But yeah, from me to you, peace, love, cheers.